we'll guide you through how to create speed ramp effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your video clip into the timeline. You'll want to make sure you're in the edit page, where most of the work will be done. Now, find the part of the clip where you want the speed change to start. You can do this by scrubbing through the timeline and stopping at the right frame. Once you're there, right-click on the clip and select Time Controls from the drop-down menu. This will bring up a bar above your clip with a small arrow icon at the bottom. Click on the arrow and select Add Speed Point. This marks the beginning of your speed ramp. Move to the point where you want the speed ramp to end and add another speed point in the same way. With these 2 points set, click on the speed percentage between them and adjust it to your desired speed. You can increase it for a fast motion effect or decrease it for slow motion. To smooth out the transition between speed changes, right-click on the speed point and select Time Curve. This opens the Retime Curve editor below your clip. Here, you can adjust the curve to be more gradual by clicking on the curve and dragging the handles to create a smoother transition. This will help in making the speed change look more natural. Once you're happy with the adjustments, play back the clip to see how it looks. You can always tweak the speed points and curves if needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.